Hello guys, in this tutorial we're talking about lists. So we have three type of lists. We have the ordered list, we have the unordered list, and we have the description list. So I'll be putting you through how to do that now. I'll be showing you the tags. So now first thing, as you know, we have to create our new HTML file. Just and we need to copy the let's copy the basic structure of HTML. Let me copy and paste. So now in this tutorial we're talking about lists. So you can change your title to lists. You have three type of lists, ordered and unordered lists. So okay, before we go into that, let's save our file first. So now let's save our file list.html. So we are still saving it inside that folder. So now we have our file open now. So let me show you the tag. So now firstly we'll be doing the ordered list first. So for the ordered list ol, you use the ol tag. Ol, which is ordered list, ol tag, the ordered, and we have the list tag li. So the ordered list is like the parent tag, while this one is like the subclass. So it's inside this list tag you're going to be writing your tests. So if you want to write a list of many things and different things, now says school teachers books. The main function of this list is just to group a set of related items together. That's what web developer, that's what we do use this list for. So just for grouping of things together. So now let's save. Can you see we have our opening tag, ordered list. So let me just use this opportunity to introduce you guys to comments. There's something we call comments. We have comment. That comment is just, yeah, as its name is just comment. So anything you write now, anything we write here on our text editor, it do reflect on the page. So but this comment won't reflect. It's just for you to, it's just to help the developer that will work on your project, or for you to remember what the code you wrote there is all about. Like now, let me show you an example of how to write a comment. So let's write this one, ordered list. So this is an example of a comment. You see that this ordered list won't show on our browser. Let's run. Okay, let's go to our page. Let's run the file list. Can you see that it's HTML designed it itself, schools, teachers, and book. Can you see that it's in list format? So that's the usefulness of the list tag. Using this is the ordered list. So you can see that this part did not show, but it's trying to, like, if someone should visit my code now, it will be able to understand that this is ordered list. So this is what we call comments. So that's how to comment in HTML. So now let's move to the next one. We have the unordered list. Unordered list. I'm not do the comments very well. Unordered list. So for the unordered list, you use ul, unordered. So from the name, ul. So in this one too, you are going to use the li tag inside of it, just to write your list. Li tag. So now let's just write something like books, pen, and then bags. Let's save and see how it will look like. Can you see that? So this one is unordered list and this one is ordered list. So now the third one, this we have another one called the description list. Description. Okay. Description. So for the description list is somehow different. Like the pattern is somehow different from others. So for the description list, you use DL, just from the name description list, DL as the parent tag, and then you now use DD. DD is like it's not the only child list. You see, it's not only the child tag. You see that it's somehow different. Let me just type it. Let me see students. Then you have DT. Next one. Can you see? Can you see that this one is somewhat different from others? Can you see that the way it's listed the stuff? Can you see that it's somewhat different? So that's how this DL works. So this DD is description, and this is the read description tag. So that's how they work. So DL description list is different from other lists and unordered lists. So that's that for lists. So in the next tutorial I'll be talking about tables. So I will advise you guys to watch. It's very cool. You'll be creating tables using code. You'll be able to create calendar yourself after that table tutorial. So this is the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching.